A great way to enjoy Bartlett pears is to poach them in Riesling wine and in exotic spices. Then reduce the poaching liquid into an intense fudge sauce that is poured over the pear with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a dusting of cocoa sugar. To poach 3 pears, you will add 300 grams of wine to a saucepan and add 90 grams of honey, 3 allspice berries, 3 cardamom pods, 1 star anise, 5 grams Ceylon cinnamon stick, and a vanilla bean that's split in half. Bring to a boil to burn off some of the alcohol and start the exotic spice infusion. Add the poaching liquid to a Ziploc style bag and prepare the pears by removing the seeds and peeling the outside. A small melon baller works great to remove the seeds in the center, and a vegetable peeler works great to remove the skin. Leave the stem intact to make it easier to handle and move the pear around when it is hot. The poached pear needs to lie flat on the plate for the nicest presentation, and it is easier to cut the bottom flat when the pear is not cooked. Stand the pears up in the poaching liquid and cook in a water bath heated to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes, or when a knife cuts into a pear easily. Transfer the pears to an ice bath to cool and store in the refrigerator until ready to use. Strain the poaching liquid and divide the liquid equally, which is about 125 milliliters or half a cup per pear. Use a small frying pan for 1 pear and bring the syrup to a boil. Warm up the pear by placing it in the center of the pan and baste the pear using a large spoon. When the pear has been warmed through and the poaching liquid is syrupy, transfer the pear to a serving dish. To finish the sauce, add 15 grams butter, 5 grams cocoa, and mix them together. Add 15 grams of cream and mix until smooth. When the sauce stops bubbling, about a minute or so, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream beside the pear and pour the uniquely exotic hot fudge sauce over top. This dessert is inspired by Escoffier's classic Belle Helene.